further I am referring to you here, my dear. Very important, complicated one. Last but not the least is exempted supply of services, where services supplied by a state government to excess royalty collection contractor by way of assigning the right to collect royalty on behalf of the state government on the mineral dispatched by the mining lease holders. Not at all understand, sir, this point. Don't worry, I will make you understand in a beautiful manner by presenting in front of you. Diagrammatic presentation practically is as follows. Now I am referring the concept of assignment of right by state government to excess royalty collection contractor. What is exempted, I will explain to you here now with the help of diagrammatic presentation. My dear sir, if you refer here carefully, state government of Andhra Pradesh, as you are aware of that, natural resources owned by the government. Assume a scenario where state government of Andhra Pradesh granted mining lease contract to Jindal Limited, for example, my dear sir, to extract the minerals from mine, where supplier of service, state government of Andhra Pradesh, recipient of service, none other than Jindal Limited. Is clear, my dear sir? Recipient of service, since Jindal Limited, paying the royalty to the government, which falls under RCM under GST, royalty paid by Jindal Limited to state government will also be called as a fixed amount known as dead rent, on which GST liable to pay by Jindal Limited under RCM, resulting that Jindal Limited, let us say, paid the GST of rupees 100 lakhs on such royalty paid to state government. Now there is possibility that while extracting the minerals from the mine by mining lease holders, sometimes they may work more time to extract more minerals, resulting that excess royalty is supposed to pay over and above dead rent, over and above fixed royalty. To monitor and collect such excess royalty from mining leaseholders, state government appointed X Limited, who are basically excess royalty collection contractors, assign the right, assignment of right to excess royalty collection contractors to collect the royalty. The right is given to X Limited to collect royalty as well as excess royalty on behalf of state government from mining leaseholders. In this given scenario, who is the supplier of service? State government is a supplier of service. By assigning the right, where excess royalty collection contributor paying the royalty collected from mining leaseholders to state government, therefore they are the recipient of service. They are the recipient. Now, my dear sir, what is exempted here in the hands of excess royalty collection contractor means GST paid by mining leaseholder to that extent of GST is exempted in the hands of excess royalty collection contractor. In the given case, 100 lakhs GST paid by mining leaseholder is exempted from the payment of GST. Why should pay twice on the same royalty? If excess royalty collection contractor, whatever the royalty collected from mining leaseholders paid to state government, on such royalty GST comes here 105 lakhs, exempted 100 lakhs, the balance shortfall of 5 lakhs has to pay by excess royalty collection contractor under RCM. Got the clarity? If the GST on such royalty collected by the excess royalty collection contractor is more than the GST paid by mining leasing holder, the difference of GST liable to pay by excess royalty collection contractor under RCM. Now, in the given case, what is the interest of X Limited to do so? Being excess royalty collection contractor, such X Limited being a excess royalty collection contractor acting on behalf of a state government or not, state government paying the commission to the excess royalty collection contractor. On such commission, GST liable to pay by X Limited being a forward charge. Got the clarity, my dear sir? Is as follows. Look here, commission earned by X Limited is liable to pay GST under forward charge whatever commission they received from state government. Forward charge apply, liable to pay GST because the excess royalty collection contractor acting on behalf of state government collecting the rent, namely the excess royalty from mining leaseholders and paying to state government. For doing so, commission earned by excess royalty collection contractor liable to pay GST forward charge. Got the clarity, my dear sir? Is the entire story, my dear. You can make a note of this neatly in your material notebook. Please make a note of this.